and welcome to a brand new Ogbonge episode of our Ogbonge show, One Question with Gigi, and na me be Gigi. Today on this show, we go talk about one very important matter wey people dey always dey overlook, matter wey people dey feel say no be matter, but na important matter. Na im make we dey here today to put light on top of that matter so that everybody eye go fit see am and everybody mind go fit hear am. But before we enter the matter proper of today, make una no forget to like, follow, share and subscribe. So, the matter wey we dey talk about today na im be home. You hear am correctly, home na im we wan talk about today. Wetin be home? Oyibo pipu talk say home na the place where you dey live. When they ask you say, madam o, oga o, where you dey stay o, you go write am say na dis place I dey live, your address na im be your home. But we all sabi say home pass like that. Home no just be where you dey live. Home na place where you go enter, you go feel kulele, your body go relax, you go feel safe, you go feel alright, you go feel okay. Na im be home. You see, we for Africa, especially Naija pipu, we no dey joke with our home. We get saying say no place like home, and we mean am. Home no get two. Your home na your place of peace for us. And when we go visit our brothers, we go visit our sisters, dem go everly tell you say feel at home o, welcome o. Na something dey take am mean. Dem mean say make you dey comfortable, make you relax, make you feel safe. Nobody dey here to judge you, nobody dey here to talk bad thing against you. Na that kind place na im be your home. We'll talk about some things wey dey make house home, because una sabi say no be just to get big house or get property full inside house, that one no make house home. You fit get big house, fine things, everything, but you no fit stay inside because e dey hot for your body. So we go talk two things, only two things na we go talk about. Two most important things wey dey turn house to home. Number one and the most important of all of them na cleanliness. Yes o, hygiene, clean house. If house clean, you go dey okay, you go feel alright. You go wan lie down, you go wan throw away your wig. If house clean, you go dey okay. I no fit emphasize am enough. Clean your house, comot cobweb, sweep your ground, mop your ground. Na that one go turn house to home for you. That na the first thing. And the second thing wey dey turn house to home na your partner. Who you dey live with for inside house? How you take dey treat that person wey you dey live with, and how the person dey treat you? Whether na your wife, na your husband, na your pikin, na your friend, una just be roommates. How una take dey treat una sef? Respect dey very important to turn house into home when you dey live with partner. Una go respect each other. Wetin I believe na wetin I believe, wetin you believe na wetin you believe. Make we live together like that. Make una no try to dey chook hand for each other face, dey chook hand for each other throat. If una get issue, una go sit down, una go talk about am, because na una two dey close eye dey sleep for the same house. So respect dey very important, and as una dey respect each other, una go try make una dey understand each other. Na all these ones go turn house for you into home. So our one question today be say, where be your home, and na wetin turn that place to your home? Make una no forget to leave una comment for inside our comment section, because we really wan hear una mind on top this matter. So until next Sunday when we go see again, make all of una remain kulele for where una dey. Una bye.